Hi there, Kendall Trosky with Charles Ruttenberg Real Estate. I am a broker associate and a licensed real estate instructor. I just wanted to come here today and let you all know about hiring a realtor. So, I've been doing this for over a decade now, and one thing I've really learned, I've had people tell me, oh, anybody can get a real estate license. I had one client once that literally told me whatever I was doing was something that they could all do. So I let them go and let them go do it. Um, they did not sell their house, by the way. But everybody has a little different style in how they like to help their clients. You have realtors who are very aggressive, and that's fine. I'm not that way. They just want to sell, 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 sell. And they will probably short your house in price just to get it sold because they don't want to actually do any marketing for your home or any hard work. They just want it on their books and off their books, quick buck in their pocket. Then you have realtors who hire all these other people to take care of the transaction portion of the sale, where they just want to go meet with people, show the properties, sell them, whether buyer or seller, and then other people handle all the paperwork. I don't really care for that because things get missed. I had a couple recent transactions where both my buyers' agents were letting other people handle things. And had I not caught one of them, we would have been in default. They would have been in default to the contract. Not me, I represented the listing agent. Had I not caught it, they would have been in default. So their buyer would have been out their escrow deposit and been could have been forced to still buy the house. That I didn't like that, but I don't want anybody ever in that position. So I stepped in and I took care of the matter, and we closed on time. I had to do an extension to close to help save their buyers. But the agent, and I actually think it was the agent's communication with the title company that was failed. And I had to step in and ask, hey, was this done? And the title company said no. And I said I wasn't notified. And had I not been notified, that buyer would have been in default. Same situation on another circumstance with an HOA and a management company where the buyer's agent had an assistant and they weren't keeping up with the communication with the manager, and I stepped in and asked a few questions, and come to find out they would have been in default too. So once we resolved that issue, we ended up closing on time. But you have to pick the agent that's best for you. I am a hands-on agent. I'm a control freak. I'm OCD. So I like to know things are being done, and I'm a stickler for things being done right and on time. So I try to get everything asked and cleared up front so that there are no complications, to ensure that your transaction is handled appropriately and in a timely manner. So, with that being said, that's one of the reasons I got my instructor license. I like knowledge, and I think that helps me be a better realtor. So, if you're looking for a real estate agent in the Tampa Bay area, I'm Kendall Trosky with Charles Ruttenberg Realtor. I am a broker associate realtor.